Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can clean your Windows C drive, especially if your Windows C drive has not or doesn't have enough space. Now, on how we can clean your Windows C drive, and also if you're going to clean your Windows C drive, this will also boost and speed up the performance of your Windows. Without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Now from here, you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. And here you'll find a lot of files. Now in my case, I have just already cleaned my Windows. That's why there are less files from here. But in your case, you simply click on one file and press Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all the items and hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of the files will be deleted, and that is totally fine because they are used by the programs on your Windows. And for the next method, again press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type %TEMP percentage, and then you have to click on OK. The same thing, click on one file and press Ctrl+A on keyboard. So these are temporary files created by our system. Now simply click on the delete icon at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. And again, you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type prefetch. Click on OK. And you also have to delete everything from here. Then for the next method is we can also remove some programs which are installed in our Windows C drive. Now for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. Click on that under the best match. Now here you'll find all the currently installed programs on your Windows C drive, and what you can do if this program is unnecessary or you are not using this program, then why not uninstall that, because that will just take much space on your Windows C drive. So what you can do, you just need to simply click on that specific program which are unnecessary or which is unimportant to you. Now I have here Discord, then you just need to click on the uninstall option at the top. And then we need to look for more. So we have here the Roblox player. Click on that and click on the uninstall option at the top. Now this is still uninstalling the Discord application, but that is how you can uninstall a program from your Windows. You just need to simply click on that and click on the uninstall option at the top, or make a right click and then select uninstall. Now once done, close out of here. Then we can perform the disk cleanup for our Windows C drive. So type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you just need to simply select all of these options one by one. And it will be stated from here the total amount of disk space that you can gain. So I will be gaining 24 MB. Now in your case, this could be greater. Just simply click on OK. Click on delete files. And wait for the process to be done. And once done, finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.